So we just had breakfast and we're getting ready to go snorkel in Long Bay, which is on Virgin Gorda. We're hoping to see some really cool fish. Most of our group is snorkeling and one person is diving a shipwreck that's actually really close to where we're moored.
Mooring, yeah.
Where we're mooring.
They recycle the shipwreck so they can create like an artificial reef, which is kind of cool. It's from Pearl Harbor or something like that. World War II related. Anyways, should be fun.
Yeah. But we're not going to the shipwreck. We're going to the rocks.
That's right.
On the side. We'll see how it is.
Let's go.
After snorkeling in Long Bay, we headed up to the North Sound for a good time at the Bitter End Yacht Club. This super yacht right here can be yours for an easy $1.7 million a week.
Is it for me?
Can't hear anything. I'm not gonna use these things.
The 5 o'clock tarpon feeding ended up being really lame because some guy jumped in the water and scared all the tarpon away. Don't be that guy. This is what the wind in Greece was like. Actually, Greece was a little bit worse.
It's constant.
Still slightly better.
Can we maybe? This is gonna be. Wrong side over here, didn't we? If we can't move backwards. Yeah, sit in the middle. Then Chris, if you move all the way back, Chase, if you come back a little bit more. Are we good?
We went back to the Bitter End Yacht Club that night because their schedule said they were supposed to have live music. Turns out the live music was just really bad karaoke. Keep that in mind when planning your trip. The next morning, we got to witness a beautiful sunrise in the North Sound before heading around the north side of Tortola to Guana Island.
cut me off.